If you have verified your YouTube channel and still you are not able to upload your custom thumbnail, in that case you should watch this video. Go to the Chrome browser, then open YouTube. Once it is open, in the top right corner, press this icon. Then go to YouTube Studio. Once it is opened, you upload videos. Then you have to select the file which you want to upload. After that, let's say this is the video I want to upload. Now you give a title, description. Here I'm not able to upload my custom thumbnail, so in that case I'll see if the channel is verified or not. It is showing the channel is already verified, so in that case I'll go back. Now I'll do the rest setting, then I'll click here no, and then I will go to video elements, then again next, then I'll make it public, then you can see an option here, publish. You can see here video is published, so I'll close it. Now I'll go to video. You're able to see that the video is uploaded, but here no custom thumbnail. In that case, I'll now go to the phone's YouTube. Now I have opened the YouTube in my phone. I'll go in the top right corner icon, then YouTube Studio, then again same at the top right corner, and I'll choose that account from where I uploaded the video. Then here I can see no thumbnail, but I want to upload the thumbnail, so I'll press it here. Then I'll click this pencil. Now you can edit thumbnail. You can see here custom thumbnail. This is the thumbnail I want to upload. I'll tap it here, then I'll press select, then save. Now I can see that thumbnail is activated or uploaded. So if you like the video, please hit subscribe.